Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enter the recovery mode in iPhone 11. So guys, first of all, you have to turn off your phone. Make sure that you have connected the cable into your phone and your phone is connected to a PC or Mac. So once the phone is turned off, you have to hold the volume up key and the side button together and make sure that you have connected the cable into your phone. So keep holding both of the keys for at least 5 to 10 seconds, and after that you're gonna see your phone is gonna be in recovery mode just like that. So guys, that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.